Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a very long time since I've posted, but I got a brand new lighting setup and I got a brand new tripod. So today what we're going to be doing is, I know we've seen this keyboard already, the AJAZZ that I did before, but today we're going to be showing you a brand new set of keycaps that I got for this keyboard that I thought would look very nice on the keyboard. And plus we're going to do another sound test of it with this different keyboard keycaps on it. So thank you guys so much, and I will be right back once I get this box open so I can show you guys the keycaps. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is going to be the new keycaps I'm going to be putting on them. It's kind of like a space, kind of like a radioactive theme kind of looking. But I like these colors with it. I think they're going to pop really well. So yeah, thank you guys so much. And I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like when I put them on right about right now.
Honey, I told you once. Baby, I told you twice. Don't come around here. Don't come around here no more.
So there it is, guys. There's the finished product. I think this is absolutely a great looking keyboard with this brand new set of keycaps. I really do like the atomic vibe of it. It's very cool. Almost like a Fallout-esque looking keyboard. So now I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. My next video, I'm going to try to do an unboxing video for a bunch of these keyboards that I just got in and that I cannot wait to review for you guys. It's just going to be an unboxing, and then I'm going to do a full review for each one. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I cannot wait for those next videos. So, but for now, I'm going to do a sound test right now, and then I'm going to see you guys later. Bye, guys.